In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks Online. Getting your expenses into the right categories is one of the most important things you can do to keep clean, accurate books. It makes your reports more meaningful, helps at tax time, and gives you a clear picture of where your money is actually going. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through entering a single expense and assigning it to the proper category, step by step. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account, and from anywhere in the dashboard, look for the plus button at the top of the screen. Depending on your version, this might be labeled New or Create. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Expense. This tells QuickBooks you're recording money going out, like a bill you paid with a card, cash, or directly from your bank. On the expense form, the first thing to choose is the payee. This is usually the vendor or person you paid, such as a utility company, a supplier, or a contractor. If the vendor is already in your list, select it from the drop-down. If not, you can add a new one so future entries are faster and more consistent. Next, choose the payment account you used for this purchase. This might be your checking account, a credit card, or even petty cash. Picking the correct account ensures your bank and credit card balances inside QuickBooks stay accurate and match your real-world statements. Now, enter the date and payment method. The date should reflect when the money actually left your account. For the payment method, select how you paid, such as check, credit card, or cash. This helps with tracking and can make reconciling easier later. Scroll down to the category details section. This is where the actual categorizing happens. In the first line, click the category drop-down and choose the appropriate expense account, like office supplies, utilities, or rent. If you're unsure which category to use, think about what the purchase was for, not just where you bought it. Try to be consistent with how you categorize similar expenses over time. Enter the amount for that expense line and fill in any other relevant details, such as a description or memo. This could be something like March internet bill or printer ink, which will help you or your accountant quickly understand the transaction later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your expense is now recorded and properly categorized in QuickBooks Online, ready to show up accurately on your reports.